I'm just documenting as we go along here. So engine RPMs to alleviate the crank position sensor, got cam position sensor info set up, the Thickum power, we got the IPR percentage, injector control pressure, and Thickum sync. So I believe we should be. This will tell us pretty much everything. You can't hear it here really well, but I am
It looks
actually
like it wants to
cranking the motor
start.
trying to get it to start. When I get a ton of that smoke coming out, I don't know if you can see that, ton of that smoke coming out. So now I gotta chase some sort of fuel issue, I guess.